In this video, let's learn how to add icon for our app. So far, our apps don't have icon. It uses the default icon. So what is our icon? Our app icon. You could also call it a launcher icon. Okay, these icons are visible when you open up your launcher. It shows on your home screen. So these are the icons. When you click these icons, your app launches, the main activity runs. Okay, so this separates your app from all the other apps. It distinguishes your app, gives you some clue, helps the user find your app because it has a different icon. Also, every device has every device manufacturers creates app icons in certain way. They look certain way. Some devices icons look circle, are square, are what they call squircle, rounded square. These are how icons could look like. So when you create an icon, you need to consider these constraints. So let's open up our project, and if you go to rest and drawable, you'll see these two. XML is a sort of vector graphic. If you didn't know vectors, they're different from raster images in that the use for vectors is that they're crisp, but when you zoom vector images, the crispness of the image stays same, but when you zoom raster images, you could see the pixelation. So that's one advantage of vector graphics. So these XML files are vectors, and as you can see, if you go down there, you see another like MIP map, and if you expand it, you would see two more folders: IC launcher, IC launcher round. You know what, I think this is not showing all the things. So let's go to the project files and res. Okay, now we can see everything. So we have like this prefixed with MIP map. We're gonna look at this folder later. So what is this? These folders, we need to understand this prefix versus suffix. The latter part of the name, HDPI, this indicates the densities. So this tells the app, the device, to use match the density of the app. For example, if these values match densities essentially. So let's say you have a density of I don't know, 160. This matches a folder, right? Let's say HDPI is used for devices who have 160 DPI, and MDPI is used for devices that have 180, so on, like that. So essentially it tells the system to use these icons. Okay, for some reason I can't open it. Okay, so this tells the system to use these apps. Okay, and now this, what is this? This is a special folder. This V26 indicates the API level. You probably don't know what a API level is. So Android versions corresponds to API levels. For example, version 26 corresponds to I believe version 8, Android 8. So if the app is running Android 8 or newer, it uses this folder. It uses vector graphics instead of this these raster images to create icons. What this folder contains is called this is Android version 8 and newer supports adaptive icons. So what is the adaptive icon? Adaptive icons have a background and a foreground layer. With this, what can you do with this? Okay, essentially, right, as you can see, this is the background layer, which is I don't know, looks like a blue thingy, and the foreground layer is the Android icon thingy. And manufacturers can use like these masks, sort of like masks, to create a circle or a rounded square or something like that. So if you click on the XML file, you get this. You have a XML type of what is it? XML is a file extension. You write XML like this. You use the open tag and closing tag. It's sort of like reminiscent of HTML. Kind of like HTML. They also use tags. Okay, so they have background and foreground. This is in drawable. Okay, so let's see here. This XML file now contains a vector. Google uses a custom vector called vector drawable. So if you wanted to know more about vector drawable or how to create vector graphics, you could go to these links. Vector drawable possible elements, you can define them in XML with this. That's what they are using. These are possible elements. So these are, I believe, these tags are elements or something. So they're providing a way to learn how to create those vector graphics. For now I'm not gonna go learn it or something. Okay, so let's go on create an icon for our app. So first what we gotta do is get rid of the all this. We're gonna use the image vector option to create icon, adaptive icon. Select it and delete them. delete anyways. And also we're gonna remove the MIP, all this. You could press Ctrl to select them, and make sure you don't remove the drawable or any other files. And now where's the option to delete it? Okay, I press okay, what is this? Okay, man, when I right click I don't see the option to delete. Okay, it's here. Click on the res and now create image asset vector. There's the option for two things, image asset and vector asset. Okay, so we need to download these two. We're gonna save this copy, select tag, search, via selection, inspect. Is there a way we can select this? Okay, save page as. Click on save page as and save it. So this is the background, this is foreground, and save pages. That's pretty much it. We have downloaded these two full files, and now what option do we need to select? Okay, so we need to select the image option. So click on the rest folder and right click and new image asset. Now we're gonna select the layer. This, as you can see, there's a foreground layer and background layer. We're gonna use the file that we downloaded that ends with XML. Okay, let's go and find it. For me it's in the downloads folder. Foreground, maybe. For the ease of access I'm gonna put this in a different folder. Get and let's create a new folder, test. Okay, so now I just need to go to that folder. Where is it? Refresh. I'm gonna add this to the Kotlin folder. For some reason it doesn't show up. Schmidt. Damn it. I'll be back. Okay, now I found it. Foreground, let's select this, and okay, let's go to the, what is this? No, we need to select the background layer. I selected the foreground, that's not right. Okay, foreground. Okay, that's fine. And with this editor, all you need to have, all you need is a vector image and nothing else. You can change the size of the foreground layer with this resize slider, and you can also see how it would look if it were to be transformed to different icon. This is a circle, this is a squircle, around a square, like that. And you can also resize the background. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And when you click finish, this will create a draw vector images and MIP map files. So now our app does not have an icon. If we refresh it, as you can see, we now have an icon. It does kind of look like look ugly with all the wiry and having this kind of like border. This looks good though. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. We learned how to add a icon, pretty easy. Just you need to use the image asset kind of editor kind of thingy, and pass in the vector image that you have. Just make sure your vector image is like has two layers, one for background, another for foreground. And with this editor you can see how it would look on different devices, and you can try resizing it and to make your app look good on other devices. Okay, that's pretty much it.